Hey beauties, it's Kenya here, and I'm coming with a super quick review on this unit I received from Lavy hair. So if you want to hear more about this unit, just keep watching. So this is their Brazilian deep wave in 18 inches, and it's also 180% density. And the hair comes in the cute little black satin bag, as you saw at the beginning. And it also has 5 clips, I counted, 5 combs to help secure the wig. And it also comes with an adjustable strap. So here what I'm doing is just trying to figure out how I'm going to style this hair, what to do with it. Yeah, just seeing how it looks in its natural state. I haven't cut the lace yet, and yeah, just trying to figure out what style I can do with this unit. So I've cut the lace off, and as you can see here, the unit comes with baby hair already pulled out, and it also looks a bit pre-plucked around the hairline. So I love that. Saves me some work. At this point, I've decided to cut the hair into a bob. So I just split my hair into 2, and I just cut one side at a time. And FYI, I am not a professional, so I'm just showing you how I cut my hair. Please do not go and do the same thing. I said to cut your hair this way. This is just me testing this out on my own hair. No license, not a professional, just, you know, styling my hair. So this is the final look. I love it. I put a few more layers in the back just for extra fullness. But yeah, I love it. I feel like cutting all my wigs now into bobs, right? Maybe not, maybe not. I'm trying to decide whether I should keep this out or put it back, you know? Anyway, so this hair is from Lavy hair. It's the Brazilian deep wave in texture, and it's in 18 inches. The hair is really light, and I'm just wearing it for the first time, so I can't really give too much of a review right now. I'll have to do a follow-up review in about 2-3 weeks, just because I'm just wearing this for like the first time. So I just wanted to come to you just so you have an idea of what it looks like before you wear it. So they don't recommend bleaching the knots, so I didn't bleach the knots or whatever. And I wanted to color it, but I think I'll wait just because I just want to see what it's like in its natural state first. But eventually I'll probably color this hair a bit. I'll have all the information on this hair in the description box, so make sure you check the description box if you're interested, because there's also a discount code I have if you want to send, you know, save a couple dollars. But yeah, all the links to this hair, to the site, will be in the description box, so you know, check it out. And until next time.